What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Larkin Motors TV. Today, if you notice anything different about the videos, it's because we're filming on the brand new GoPro Hero 9 Black. And let me tell you, being able to look at myself on this front screen, oh, you guys are really blessed being able to watch these videos. But in all seriousness, today's video, we're gonna head over to the Chemical Guys store down in Seekonk, Mass. I gotta detail the Chevelle coming up because we gotta make sure it's ready to go for the customer, and we just gotta buy some supplies. So it's me and Jeff in the Shelby today. Look at this thing. So yeah, we're gonna hop in, hopefully get everything we need at the store. Should be good. I've never been here before, and I've heard good things. I know it's easy to go here and spend way too much money, but we got the company card, so screw it.
Yeah, I guess, right?
But yeah, we're gonna get on the road and maybe bless you guys with a couple pulls if you're lucky. Just if you're lucky. But not too much longer until we gotta put this thing away for the winter, but you're gonna make, yeah, we're gonna be putting it on the lift for the winter. We got big plans coming. Make sure you like and subscribe if you wanna see some GT500 mods over the winter, but we're gonna get on the road. Jealous of that guy's Ram, the color, and he's got the Ram Rebel. Gonna have to upgrade one day, but getting on the highway here, hopefully none of these slowpokes are in front of us. Never gets old. GT500 on the highway. That's pretty cool though. You don't see too many of these on the road, but
it's the first one I've seen besides ours.
Yeah, this is the first one I've seen on the road, but clearly someone down in the Fall River area, shout out. Here, go next to him. The dealer that sold us our car, I guess, was telling Jeff today they took the Shelby to deliver a hitch that the dealership ordered. That guy just picked that one up, so that's probably why he wasn't down to give it a rip. Must still be doing break-in miles. Respect to the owner if you're watching and you looked up Larkin Motors. We'd love to see the car. If you want to get anything done to it, stop by the shop. So we just pulled up to the detail garage here. We're gonna go in and just get a bunch of stuff that we're gonna need. Probably just some supplies for the shop. We're gonna grab everything we're gonna need to get the Chevelle looking mint, but I gotta mask up before I go in. This place out. How's it going, man?
Going, guys, welcome.
This place is awesome.
Gary, nice to meet you.
What's your name?
Gary, nice to meet you.
Tom, nice to meet you. Yeah, I use all Chemical Guys stuff, so I like found out that they have detail stores like this around, so I kind of just looked online, and you guys are close enough to us, so.
Absolutely, thanks for stopping in.
No problem.
If you have any questions about anything, let me know, I'll help you out.
I appreciate it.
Thanks, man.
So yeah, like I said, we're mainly just looking for stuff for the Chevelle right now. But while we're here, I might take advantage of it and grab some stuff for some of the details I do, but check it out. They got a little bit of everything right here. So that's just a quick look around the store. Make sure you, if you're in the area, I know a lot of our followers are, head over to the detail garage in Swansea and tell them Larkin Motors sent you. All right, guys, so we're heading out. Secured the bag, but we're gonna park the car right out front for them so they can get a couple pictures of the car in front of the store. But we just got kind of a little bit of everything we're gonna need. Degreasers, iron remover, and just a bunch of miscellaneous stuff. And hopefully we can have the Chevelle looking brand new for the customer. But we're gonna go ahead and get the car parked for him real quick. Uh-oh, Granny didn't like that one. Taking up too much space in the road. All right. Look at that. We almost need a wheel cleaning sponsor to keep this thing clean though. That's just from like 2 drives, guys, and the wheels are already toast. Nice to meet you guys. Peace. Thank you. All right, shout out to the guys over at Chemical Guys. They let us know next time we come, let them know that you're a veteran and a first responder, you get 10% off. Oh, he did? Oh, so Jeff's telling me I wasn't paying attention, but if you guys are watching this video and live in the area, just when you come here, tell them Larkin Motors sent you and you'll get 10% off. We're gonna get back on the road, and tomorrow my day is looking like probably 8 to 10 hours of just detailing the Chevelle, but it's gonna be looking mint. Dude, that supercharger whine. You guys probably can't hear it in the video, but it sounds good. Under 55 on that one. This car is friggin' incredible.
So smooth and fast.
It gets to 55.
I'm not even nervous.
Wicked fast. No, it's not. It's not nerve-wracking at all. Like in the Chevelle, when that's all done, I'll have Josh take me for a drive, or the owner. But like in the Chevelle, just being under throttle, you feel like the car is gonna do something unpredictable, or you just feel like you're going in the woods, and that's because it literally just has no management systems in the whole entire car. But like in this car, this is the only fast car I've ever driven, and I can confidently get in it and drive the absolute bag off it. And you don't feel unsafe. You don't feel like the car is gonna do anything crazy. It just feels like it's meant to be doing what you're doing. So that's one of the things that makes the 2020 GT500 just such an amazing car. Spun the tires a little bit. All right, guys, so we're back at the shop. Again, I just want to shout out to the guys at Detail Garage Swansea. Thanks for treating us well. And like I said, guys, if you mention Larkin Motors, you're gonna get 10% off. So take advantage of it. Head down there while they're still offering that. Tell them the boys sent you. But just a quick look at everything we got. I got the high gloss wash, just a all-around cleaner with the citrus scent. You use inside, outside, whatever it may be. The iron remover, that's going to be good for decontaminating the paint and for the Shelby's wheels, because the brake dust is pretty ridiculous. Just got a bottle of the leather cleaner conditioner, clean it up, and then some wax and polish, and then we just got some pads, polishing pads and some other stuff, and some free stickers. So we're gonna have to add this to the collection in the shop. But that's it for this video, everyone. Thanks for tuning in to Larkin Motors TV as always, and make sure you like the video and subscribe, because we're doing a giveaway of a 2020 Denali in the near future here, so you're gonna want to make sure you're paying attention so you don't miss out and the tickets don't sell out on you. We're gonna end it right here. Thanks for tuning in, guys. Larkin Motors TV signing out. Peace.